Ready to blend like a pro without breaking the bank? If you're searching for a blender that won't empty your wallet but still delivers great results, you're in the right place. We've tested the top affordable blenders of 2025, and honestly, the results might just surprise you. Whether you're a smoothie lover, a meal prep enthusiast, or just need something reliable for your kitchen, 2025 we're here to help you find your perfect blend. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which blender you think is the best fit for you. Your feedback helps us keep making these reviews better and more helpful for everyone. All right, let's get started. Number 1, NutriBullet Blender 11-piece set. If you're looking for an affordable blender to kickstart your mornings with smoothies or health shakes, the NutriBullet is a top choice. It's compact, quick, and super easy to use. Perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle or a small kitchen. Even though it only has a 250-watt motor, the NutriBullet handles frozen fruit and most ingredients with ease, as long as you add enough liquid. It also comes with 2 extra blending cups, so you're always ready for your next blend, whether you're making a single serving or prepping for the whole family. In our tests, the NutriBullet produced consistently smooth, silky blends with minimal effort. Its cylindrical containers are easy to clean. No awkward corners or crevices where food can get stuck. And unlike many budget blenders, you don't have to hold the NutriBullet down while it runs. Just twist, lock, and let it blend. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're multitasking in the kitchen. Durability is another big plus. I used the NutriBullet almost daily for a year, and it kept performing without any issues. No weird smells, no loss of power, and no leaks. For its price and functionality, it's honestly hard to beat. If you want a reliable, no-fuss blender that fits your busy routine and doesn't take up much space, the NutriBullet is a smart, budget-friendly pick. Number 2, Black & Decker BL2 010BG. Next up is the Black & Decker BL2 010BG. This countertop blender is a real space saver thanks to its compact base, and the glass jar adds a touch of style to its simple design. In our testing, it performed well, making smooth smoothies, chopping foods, and even blending different colored yogurts with ease. It's a great option if you want something that looks a bit more classic on your countertop. While it doesn't have automatic programs, the control panel is straightforward and the buttons respond quickly. The pulse function actually works better for smoothies and frozen fruits than the continuous blend, so if you like to have a bit more control over your blending, you'll appreciate that. The only downside we noticed was that the plastic lid arrived slightly warped, but it still fit onto the pitcher with a bit of effort. Cleanup is a breeze. The pitcher, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, and the base just needs a quick wipe with a damp cloth. If you want a blender that's easy to use, easy to clean, and doesn't take up too much space, the Black & Decker BL2010BG is a solid choice. Number 3, Cleanblend Classic. Moving on to number 3, the Cleanblend Classic. This blender was designed by chefs for chefs, featuring simple controls and a no-frills, 1,800-watt design. We found it easy to remove and replace the pitcher, which is great for quick kitchen tasks, though the lack of a locking sound might be a little unsettling for some users. Still, it feels sturdy and well-built. In our tests, the Cleanblend handled nuts, chocolate candy, and frozen strawberries with ease, but it did struggle to fully crush ice. The smoothie test was a bit of a challenge, requiring several pulses to break down the last frozen strawberry chunks. On the plus side, the base stayed stable during use, and the pitcher didn't move much, even when blending tougher ingredients. You also get a nut milk bag, tamper, small rubber spatula, a 64-ounce BPA-free container, and a 5-year warranty. That's a lot of value for the price. Overall, the Cleanblend is enjoyable to use and a practical option for both chefs and home cooks who want a powerful blender without a lot of extra bells and whistles. Number 4, NutriBullet Smart. Touch number 4 is the NutriBullet Smart Touch. This blender stands out with its ultra-sleek touchscreen, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The touchscreen is easy to wipe clean and looks great but it does offer limited feedback. So sometimes it's hard to tell if you've actually pressed a button. Still, like other NutriBullet models, this 1,500 watt blender impressed us with intuitive controls and reliable performance. For safety, it won't run unless the lid is fully secured, but attaching the lid can be a little tricky. It needs to snap into 3 spots and align with a sensor peg, which can be a bit frustrating at first. Once you get the hang of it though, it's not a big deal. The blender performed well in our mixing and chopping tests, handling everything from leafy greens to frozen fruit without any issues. If you want a blender that looks great and works reliably, especially in small spaces, the NutriBullet Smart Touch is a solid choice. Number 5. GE Blender. Finally, number 5 is the GE Blender. This sleek 1000 watt blender from GE looks great on any countertop and comes with some useful accessories. It excelled in our smoothie test, delivering a smooth, tasty blend and did an acceptable job mixing 2 different yogurts. If you care about aesthetics, this one definitely stands out. However, it struggled with tougher tasks. During our ice and frozen strawberry test, the blender shut off automatically and had to be reset. Even then, it could only handle ice or strawberries if they were added one at a time through the lid or by using the pulse function. While its stylish design is a plus, overall performance was a bit disappointing. If you need a blender for more than just smoothies, this may not be the best choice. But if you're a GE fan and want a good-looking, affordable blender, under $100, it's worth considering. So, which blender takes the crown? For unbeatable value and performance, the NutriBullet Smart Touch is our top pick. It's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for everyday blending. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or just need something reliable for your kitchen, you really can't go wrong.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.